నీకు ఏమైనా కష్టాలు వచ్చాయి అనుకో నాకు చెప్పుకున్నా మాటలతోనే టెన్షన్స్ కానీ స్ట్రెస్ కానీ
Hi friends, my name is Shravani. I would like to talk about myself. My mother name is Venkayamma. She is a homemaker. My father name is Srinivasa. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. I am 10th complete in ZPHS Nandivada. I will go to join Inter Sri Vidya College. My strength is my friends and my weakness is romance. My hobbies is playing games and watching TV. My favorite color is red. Favorite dish is chicken. Thank you. Tell me about pen. Hi, I would like to talk about pen. Pen is a writing instrument applied to ink with pad, drawing or writing. First pen used to Joseph John J. Pens are so many companies. There are Celcon, Tonmion, and etc. Red pen is used to teachers and used by teachers, and blue pen is used by children. Green pen is used by principals. Thank you. Tha, ba, tha, ba, kha, z, ga, cha, ja, ta, da, sa, za, sha, tha, ra, ra, ha, ra, va, ya, la, ma, na, nya. Hot, topple, pop, bag, bubble, cap, table, bitter, hot, dust, advice, loud, kite, disclose, sell, mistake, miss, zoo, dissolve, breeze, fun, often, touch, victory, level, brave, window, swift, hello, effort, rain, mist, market, shark, yard, mail, toy, listen, Iceland, border. Sing it again. I would like to sing about Titanic song. Every night in my dream song. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know. Go on. For across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door. Are you here in my heart? And my heart will go on and on. Thank you. I love to sing and cheer the beauty of English. I love to sing and choose the beauty of English. Grammar, subject, verb, and object. A sentence becomes perfect. I, you, he, she, it, and they are subject pronouns. They are subject pronouns. You, must, you, him, her, it, and them are object pronouns. Them are object pronouns. Present, past, and future are the trees of tenses. Simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous are all differences we call making sentence out of the conjugation call it is. Making sentence out of the conjugation call it is. Thank you. Hari's mom asked him to clean the garden. A student at an all boys his high school should be an his best behavior. Neither Mayor nor I know why the story was closed. After the training, you and I must discuss a few things. I missed the bus because I was late. Bus is now. The queue was very long, so I did not went. Queue is long now. The distance was too long to cover. Distance is now. I went to the market and bring a lot of fruits. The traffic in the city is. I have to cut my hair today. I would like to talk about myself. I have chosen to talk about myself. I am Shani. He is my best friend. We are neighbors. We are his friends. You are tall. I have a sister. She is very smart. Change. I would like to talk about change. If you don't change with the changing will change you. So better change before the change exchange you. Thank you. She is an aeronautical engineer. There are businessmen. She is an air hostess. We are students. She is an English teacher. Mr. Mr. Rambabu is a my neighbor is an unhosted. Dr. Shamala is an aeronaut orthopedics. My mother is getting her eyes tested and this is very big do. She is very soft girl. Soft girl. She helps everyone. He is an intelligent boy. He can solve problems in maths. I have a soft, soft blanket. The dog is very big. I have a ball. It's round. I brought a few few books for my friends. We are good friends. We meet every day. The water in the pail is very clear. Computer in the table. I am sitting on the chair. I am sitting on the chair. CPU under the table. Fridge next to cooler. Computer behind the wall. Systems are in front of me. Shelves between wall and kitchen. Wall and stove. And can you wait for me at the bus stop? You, you big, your bag is on the corner of the room. He is standing on the tree. There is a monkey sitting on the tree, walking at the road. We are swimming in the river. Our home is in the hills. Standing along the old man across the bus stop. There are many chairs. There is one in the room. There are pens on the table. There are lots of hair on the head. There are not water in the bottle. Plants are in the garden. There are so many plants in the garden. There are no pencils. My sister helps my father in the kitchen. Raju shares anything with us. My dog drinks only. He sings well, but he don't dance. Don't dance. She studies well. She gets good grade too. It climbs trees. Hi friends, I would like to talk about Air Travels meet the elected MP, AP Chambers of Commerce and Air Travels as meet MP MBV Satyanarayana on Monday and required him to various aspects for developing the city. Session required the MP to help improve both and internationally are corrected for Vizag Airport and to focus more on direct flights commission Vizag and Dubai. Thank you.
Tell me how to make lemon juice.
Now, first we can select the ingredients: lemon, glass, water, spoon, sugar, and we cut the lemon in two pieces. Stir it with lemon into juice. Add some water in the lemon juice and pour some sugar and stir it with dissolve the water and mix it one glass to another glass and add few ice cubes. Now lemon juice is ready.
Tell me something about Mastani.
Mastani is my best friend. Mastani is a very intelligent girl. Mastani had no fear. Mastani is brave. Mastani is Ella